So today we're going to be taking a look at the Earthenware range of glazes from Milton Bridge. One of the first things you're going to notice is that there's 42 different colours, and that means there's a massive range for you to choose from. They're all really nice bright colours. So I'm going to show you how to get a nice consistent finish with them. First thing you need to do, use a fan brush. I always find that a fan brush is much better. It's going to get rid of any of those brush strokes. Give it a real good stir. Make sure that you get right the way down to the bottom, because that's where all of that colour, all of that glaze is. I try and stir rather than shake, because I find it mixes these glazes up much better. One of the things that you'll also notice is if you've used other brands of glazes, you'll find that Milton Bridges are just a little bit thinner than other ones. But actually this helps me achieve a much more even coat. It also gets rid of things like crawl. Also allows it to go on a lot more consistently and more evenly. So in this case, I'm going to use one of these tiles and we'll end up with this finish here. And I'll show you how to get a real nice finish on them. So we're going to do 4 coats. Now 4 nice thin even coats is going to give me a real solid colour. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply this first coat. You'll see, because this glaze again is just a little bit thinner than others, it's going to dry really quickly. So it means that actually you can glaze them and get all of those coats on there pretty quick. So the first thing I'm going to do, just a small amount of glaze, and I'm just going to glaze right the way around the edge. You can see how quickly this colour's going on. And then I'm just going to work my way nice and easy just across the top. So I want to try and avoid any kind of runs or any kind of drips. So I'm going to brush it in one direction and then going to go against that. The next thing I want to do is allow this to dry. I want it to dry absolutely perfectly bone dry. If I don't allow it the time to dry, what will happen when I put the next layer on there, it will start to take off the layer below.